portable fan heater, 3 heating modes, overheat protection, tip over protection, quick heating. As we look at the box and read the icons, we have no flame, 10-second quick heating, and quiet design. The product information is F6003 fan heater, ABS plus fireproof material on 1000 watt maximum unit. It is 110 volts, 60 hertz, 850 grams, 156 by 107 by 180 millimeters. Now, let's open it up, give you a nice close-up look at what you get. Fan heater user manual. Very simple to go over. Packaged in bubble wrap. A nice white soft design. Please remove the protective tab over the 110 volt. And you get enough cord to plug into an outlet. About 6 feet of cord, no ground unit. Find an outlet, plug it in. On the front is a metal grill, dark color. A plastic ring that is a gray color. And a white back base. And this is where you want to keep things clean and not cover the vent. And you can open up the filter. You clean the dust off with a brush. Wash it. When everything is nice and thoroughly dry, you want to hold the unit. Snap it back into place. On the top of the unit is an off button. There's a fan, speed number 1, speed number 2. Those are the 3 modes. Fan, low, and high. Turn the unit on to the fan. It's a hard turn. The decibel's about 30 dB. Turning on to the heat for the first one. There comes the heat. It's working. And it's nice and hot. Turning on to the heat number 2. It is also nice and hot. It may be hotter than number 1. If I start to tilt the unit back, it will shut off right about there. If I tilt it forward back to the stand, it turns back on. If I tilt it to the side, it will shut off. And turn it back to the center, it turns on, and tilt it forward. It shuts off. So, if you're worried about this tilting over, it will shut down. Model F603 fan heater, 1000 watt maximum, 110 volts. On those cold days, let's say you go camping in an RV in the back of a U-Haul that you need to run an extension cord and get some heat so you can do your work. Outside in the shed, no matter where you're at. These small portable heaters will heat up your room pretty quickly. I hope you enjoy this product if it's right for you.